Hello students. Now we will discuss about mutation. First, the meaning of mutation. What is mutation? The mutation is the sudden change in the DNA. The sudden change in the structure of DNA or the quantity of DNA, which is inheritable. Or we can say that mutation is the sudden change in the DNA which is inheritable. Okay. All first, the types of mutation. The mutation are of two types. The first, spontaneous, and the second is induced. As the name show, spontaneous, it is the mutation caused by unknown or indistinct natural causes. Means if the mutation is natural, then it will called as spontaneous mutation. These can be the result of aberrations in DNA or caused by natural factors like UV rays and radioactive radiations. In India, spontaneous mutation have been seen in the monozyte belt of Kerala, which is a radioactive or rich area. Okay. Now the second, induced mutation. Induced, as the name says, induced mutations are artificially created, hence also called as artificial mutation. Okay, the mutations caused or induced by the physical or chemical factors. Physical or chemical factors. Physical factors like ultraviolet rays, radiations, and chemical factors like phenol, mustard gas, etc. The effective mutations are produced by the change in the sequence of base in the DNA. Means if the any change occur in the sequence of DNA, particularly in the base sequence, will be referred as point mutation or gene mutation. Point or gene mutation. This is the topic to be discussed. What is point mutation and gene mutation? We have discussed about this. Means the change in the base sequence of the DNA or the base of the DNA. This is occur by the two processes. The first process is transition. You all know that there are 4 bases in the DNA that are called as adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. In these 4 bases, the adenine and guanine called as purines and cytosine and thymine called as pyrimidines. If the purines replaced by another purine, means if the A base replaced by G or vice versa, it will called as transition, and it is same for pyrimidines. If the any pyrimidine is replaced by another, it also be called as transition. And how it occur? Just see that there are the strands of DNA in which the base pairing is like this: A, T, G, C, G, C, C, G. Now see, in this DNA, if the base pair or the base A get changed or changed into G, that is purine-purine replacement or the transition. After the replication of DNA, this strand will be S and another strand will be S. Okay, but because here the A is replaced by G, now the second strand will be formed as having C at the place of T and SAM. Now in the replicated DNA, this base pair get changed due to transition, means purine-purine replacement, and it is same for pyrimidines. And because this sequence get changed, now this transcription will be contain an RNA with the changed base pair and leads to abnormality. We have discussed about transition. Now we will take an idea about second method, that is transversion. In the transition, purine replaced by purine and pyrimidine replaced by pyrimidines. But in the transversion, purines like A and G replaced by pyrimidines. Means C and G replaced by T. Okay, now what is the basic concept? Purine replaced by pyrimidines and vice versa. Now take an example. this is the DNA, and in this the base pairs A based by T, CG, GC and CG. Now according the rule of transversion, the T part or the T base is replaced by the pyrimidine like G. Okay, then after the replication there will be two DNA formed, and in this sequence got changed. Then in the replication, what will occur? The changed G will be base paired with C and now same. And in the another strand, it will be like parental base pairing. And now this changed base pair from AT is converted into GC, leads to genetic abnormality which will be inheritable, because this is sudden change, and now it will referred as mutation. We have discussed about the mutation. There are two types, spontaneous and induced. Spontaneous caused by natural factors, and induced caused by some artificial methods, that may be physical or chemical. The mutation in the base pair or the base, or the replacement of a base with another base, called as point mutation or gene mutation. There are two types of point mutation. First, transition, and second is transversion. In the transition, purine is replaced by another purine, and it is same for pyrimidines. And in the transversion, purines replaced by pyrimidines, and pyrimidines replaced by purines. It's called as transversion. Thank you.